I've got one that can see.
Logic Before Authority.
Hi guys, this is Daniel Alexander Cannon here on Logic Before Authority. On today's The Supernatural Show, I've got some things to show you. The question is, what do volcanoes, volcanoes, lava, fire, what does that have in common with giant ancient trees that are all around the world? What does it all have in common? What does it have in common with coal? What does it have in common with lighter wood? Fat lighter wood? Don't know? You will know. By the end of today's show, you're going to know. You're even going to know what volcanoes truly are. Today on The Supernatural Show at about 3 p.m. today, Eastern Time, Eastern U.S. Time. See there?
I've got one that can see.
Logic Before Authority.